This is my 17-year-old Pulsar 150 bike classic. Um, Recently, I started noticing some fuel leakage from the bottom of the fuel tank. It's a very mild leak, so I decided to go with some epoxy material to fix the leak. It didn't last long. Just within 1 month of time, it started leaking again. So I decided to fix it permanently using soldering technique. So before starting the soldering process, we need to remove the fuel tank from the bike and thoroughly remove all the epoxy we previously used, and also remove any paint around the pinholes. So it should be thoroughly cleared before we start the soldering process. I washed the fuel tank for my safety and removed all the fuel gauge sensors before I start soldering process. So here is the cleaned surface. I thoroughly cleaned the paints and epoxy material on the surface. Now it is ready for the soldering process. Now I am applying soldering flux or soldering paste on the surface of pinholes. Too many pinholes. Okay, now it is ready. I'm using 125 watts soldering iron. It's not a normal soldering iron, it's a big one, so that the soldering process will be more reliable and perfect. It will take time. Do it very slowly and carefully. This process has to be done in a very precise way using your mobile phone camera. You can zoom the surface area and make sure you fixed all the pinholes. So this is a perfect and permanent solution for your leaking fuel tank.